Welcome to Hardcore Garage. We are here live at Bark in the Park, and I just wanted to give you guys a little walk around of James' day to night's amazing 83 extended cab S10. Check this out. I'm hoping I can get an interview with him a little bit later, and he can tell you, everything that's done to this truck. It is absolutely amazing. The amount of details that are in this thing, I can't even explain it, without knowing everything. You just won't see them all. I mean, there's so much detail. Every nut and bolt in this thing has been polished, chromed, stainless steel, reworked metal. You can see there on the core support that it is all molded together smooth with an extra piece there that hides so you can't see down in front of the grill. I know his inner fenders are modified as well. I don't remember exactly what he did, but he did modify those to work. There are so many custom one-off parts. This guy does some amazing work with this. BMW lights there, I mean, just everything. His brakes, you can see the tie rod ends down in there. His brake caliper, or the actual brake pad, are custom on this thing. There is absolutely nothing on this truck that has been left untouched. When you start looking at details, look at that front bed cap. It's exactly the same width as the side bed cap. It's amazing work. It has a Range Rover set of taillights molded in, which doing that, they had to narrow the tailgate several inches, and that is pretty impressive as it is. They also went ahead and inverted the Chevrolet and will cut that out, flipped it around backwards, and welded it back in. It has a tilt bed, and this thing does lay out. Obviously, when it is all the way down, we are in the dirt. But again, there's just so many details in this truck. Looks like an actuator there and some extra helper shocks for the tilt bed. Completely custom, however many length that is. You got your air tank under here. The bottom of the bed has been smoothed to look really, really nice. Oh my gosh, it is. The interior, although has factory appearance, there are several little things in here that, unless you really know an S10, you might not even notice. Has basically, well, them are definitely 83 visors there, with the second visor and the little pull away. He's got covers for his vents and a stereo in the back. Welcome to Hardcore Garage. I am here with James, day to night, and we are taking a cruise in this amazing 1983 Chevy S10 extended cab. You guys have seen this truck. It's amazing. So I'm pretty excited to get to ride in it. Odd time. Perfect parking, sir.
Like I did it before. Get it while it's dirty. They're going in the car now that they're nice and wet.
It's the story of my life. Always wait until.
It is a disaster.
Yeah, right. He got the mail last night. You guys right out together? 2 summer bikes or?
Guys, don't make me laugh when I'm in here.
What do you have?
Because it was cheap.
16th birthday present. Really?